Hello, I'm Dr. Che and you're watching my YouTube channel. In this video, we will talk about environment. This is topic specific vocabulary and this is video 4, the last video. This is English vocabulary in general for all English learner and in particular for IELTS and TOEFL students. So please look at description box for updates and link to my Facebook group. Please like and comment to encourage me, share with other friends to help them in preparation, and subscribe and press the bell icon please to receive more videos on grammar, writing, speaking, listening and reading. So as you know, I have more than 27 common topics that I have gathered in my this course. So we are now at topic is environment. This is the last video. So open the playlist of my channel and watch complete course in order. Link is given below in the description box. So first word is packaging. You can use this word in environment. Packaging. These are materials used to wrap or protect goods. The original packaging is required when to claim a full refund. Full refund is also collocation. Original packaging is also good collocation. Full refund is very good collocation. Many customers are influenced by the attractive and fancy packaging. Influenced is very good word here. Customers are influenced by the attractive and fancy packaging. When you are writing about something that about environment, about pollution or packaging, you can use that customer use are influenced by attractive and fancy packaging that cause pollution and extra waste. Urbanization. This is a UK spelling. If you use US spellings, you can use that. And its verb form is urbanize. Urbanize is verb form and urbanization is noun. There are two meanings. Number one is process of leaving the country and live and work in cities. Leave the village. The country don't mean any country like UK or India or other country, but process of leaving the country, the village, and live or work in cities. This is called urbanization. Number two is process of conversion of a countryside area to a city. If a village is converted to a city, is also called urbanization. So verb is urbanize, and urbanization is taking place at a faster rate, at a faster pace, at a faster rate in many developing countries. Urbanization is one of the causes of deforestation. Next word is exhaust. Exhaust is waste gases that come out of a vehicle or out of an engine or a machine. These are called exhaust. Collocation here are very important. Collocations: exhaust fumes, exhaust emissions. There can be exhaust fumes or exhaust emissions. The car was fitted with a catalytic converter to meet exhaust regulations. The car was fitted with a catalytic converter to meet exhaust regulations. Its verb form is exhaust also. It also means exhaust when you are too much tired. Exhaust, very tired. Instead of using very tired, you use exhaust. I am exhausted. Okay, it can be noun, it can be verb, and remember this collocation: exhaust fumes, exhaust emissions. Poach is a verb and its noun form is poaching. Poach is a verb and poaching is a noun form. It means to catch or kill animals illegally. It also means to cook something in boiling water, but it is not common here. It is no, in this video it will be used as a poaching, to kill an animals illegally. The person who does this work, who does this poaching, is called poacher. Okay. Example sentence: the police caught him poaching an endangered species. No, this is not species. This is an but with species of elephants and was fined $2,000. Poaching threatens the survival of many rare species. Poaching threatens the survival of many rare species. My younger son loves poaching eggs in breakfast. Here it is used as a mean of cooking, boiling. And next word is pressing green issue. When you are talking about environment, there is some problem like pollution or some other problem, you can use pressing green issue. Pressing is catastrophic or devastating. Pressing is synonyms are catastrophic or devastating. We use a collocation ozone layer depletion. Ozone layer is depleting, it is becoming thinner, it is depleting. Land degradation, it means changes in land that reduce its productive potential, it is called land degradation. You can use when you are writing in about an essay about environment. When you can use also a very good word potentially devastating. Instead of only saying devastating, you can say potentially devastating, harmful. Devastating effect, pollution, and at some point you can use pollutants to vary your language. Pesticide is a chemical used in agriculture to kill harmful insects, plants, or animals. These are called pesticide. Drought. Drought is longer periods without rain, leading to shortage of water. Drought. You can use these all of these words when you are writing an essay about environment or in your speaking also. Capture, and its synonym is harness. Harness is a bit more higher vocabulary. Harness the energy from wind. Harness the energy from wind. And next one is sustainable. Sustainable, it means causing little or no damage to environment. Causing little or no damage to environment, it is sustainable. Very good word, very special word to discuss vocabulary of environment. Sustainable, causing little or no damage to environment. Lodging, logging is logging. Logging is cutting down of trees. Cutting down of trees. The lodging industry. Another word is litter. You can, when especially in writing, when you are given a question about garbage or rubbish, you can use synonyms to vary your language. Litter, rubbish, garbage. And one word is irreparable. For example, irreparable damage to something when you are talking about pollution and environment. So it is here spelling is very important. Okay, irrepair without I, double R A I R, there is no I. Irreparable, this is spelling. Old buses generate a great deal of fumes. Great deal of fumes. Okay, and later we use garbage, we use a large amount of garbage, amount of rubbish. Aquatic, something that lives in water is aquatic. Adjective will be aquatic. Terrestrial will be something that is on land. Vanish, it means disappear. It means disappear. And other is endangered species. Endangered species. Extinction will be a noun, and to become extinct will be a verb. Extinct is not verb. To become extinct, I think I told extinct as a verb, that was wrong. To become extinct is a verb, and collocation, you can use it instead of extinction. At some point you can use verb form also. And the next word is breed, to mean reproduce. Breed, to reproduce. Exotic is adjective, it means something unusual, and from a foreign country. When you are writing an essay about culture, about environment or plants, animals, you can use this word exotic. Natural disaster, for example, tsunami, earthquake, these are natural disaster. A predator is an animal that hunts other animals. Okay, so at the end the same thing, please subscribe, like, comment, positive comments only, please share with others to help their preparation, and subscribe and press the bell icon to get more videos on grammar, writing, speaking, listening and reading. Thank you very much.